皆さん、こんにちは。お元気ですか？あなたはお金が好きですか？ Question 質問です。あなたはお金が好きですか？お金 is money. This kanji means gold. So, お金 money. Yes. あなたはお金が好きですか？私はお金が大好きです。大好きです。This kanji means big and big to like, which means love. That doesn't mean the love, the relation love. I mean the most, liking level, I really like. Okay? Big. This kanji big emphasize how you like the money. So, I love money. 私はお金が大好きです。お金が大好きです。でも、でも、私はお金がありません。お金がありません。So, you know what? You can figure out this mean ありません。ません is denying form, right? So, ありません。私はお金がありません。I love money, but I don't have money. Well, ありません。ありません is the denying form, and あります is the positive form. あります。あります。There is. It's the something is existing there. That doesn't mean you have. Have means, you grab something and you hold it right here. That have is another word, okay? But I have money. In this context, then you can translate into have. I have あります. Okay? So, あります is there is or I have, but this have doesn't mean you have it. You grab it, you hold onto it. That doesn't mean, okay? That only means there is. I have money. I have something. That there is something that you have. Okay? Well, でも私はお金がありません。I don't have what? I don't have money. It's a sad thing, right? Well, let's practice あります and ありません。あります and ありません。There's a lot of things that you can use along with this あります。For example, 時間があります。time があります。I have time now. Well, you say that, right? You have time to do something. 時間があります。時間があります。約束があります。約束 means promise in direct translation. But that doesn't mean always promise. I have a promise. It doesn't make any sense, right? So in this case, 約束 means you promise to do something with somebody. So that means you can't do anything. For example, let's go drink tonight. Oh, I'm sorry, I have 約束があります。Well, you can say that, right? So, for example, you have a plan to do with somebody and you can't reschedule or something. Then, 約束があります。約束があります。And 用事があります。用事があります。用事 means something to do. Especially when you have to do something by yourself. 用事があります。This 約束 things to do is doing something with somebody. Okay? And that can be rescheduled. 約束、用事 doing by yourself, but you have to do something. 用事があります。用事があります。学校があります。school. I have a school to attend to or something like that, right? 学校があります。I have school. That means weird, right? So, 学校があります。I have class to attend to or I have a school to go to someday or today or now, whatever. But 学校があります。授業があります。授業 is a lesson or class. Okay? Lesson or class that you learn along. You learn something along, right? 授業があります。授業があります。Right now, you're taking 授業。日本語の授業。Japanese class. Okay? Well, you can ask like this. 明日時間がありますか？明日時間がありますか？ Tomorrow, do you have time? That means you're trying to ask for a date or something like that, or you want to go hang out or something like that. Then, 明日時間がありますか？ Do you have time tomorrow? You're asking like that. 明日時間がありますか？約束、明日約束がありますか？ We don't ask something like that, but grammarly it's correct. Okay? 明日用事がありますか？ You can say that. 明日学校がありますか？ Yeah, you want to ask, do you have a school to go to tomorrow? 明日学校がありますか？明日授業がありますか？ If you're a student and you ask another student that you have class tomorrow or something, 明日授業がありますか？ You can ask like that. So basically, ignore this right now. 時間があります。Right? I have time. 約束があります。用事があります。学校があります。授業があります。When you want to ask something, then simply you add か at the end of ありますか？ありますか？ Then, when, if you want to ask when, then put the when here at the first. So, 明日 or 今日時間がありますか？ Today, do you have time? 今日約束がありますか？ Do you have a plan to do you have a plan to do today with somebody? Do you have a plan to do today? To do by yourself? 用事がありますか？今日学校がありますか？今日授業がありますか？ It's simple, right? So let's practice the negative form, okay? 時間があります。That's a positive form, right? You have time. But you don't have time, then 時間がありません。約束がありません。用事がありません。学校がありません。授業がありません。Alright? ありません。No, I don't have. Okay? Or there is not. ありません。Okay? So, what if you're asked like, do you have time tomorrow? 明日時間がありますか？ Then, you wanna answer like, ありません。But, 明日時間がありません。Okay? So, 時間がありません。約束がありません。This is a negative form. Okay? Then, whether you have or don't have these things to do, then you want to mention, and these can be reason, right? So, if you want to go home as soon as possible, then you want to excuse the reason That means here. So, for example, 約束がありますから早く帰ります。Fast, 早く帰ります。Go home. So, 早く帰ります。Fast, go home as soon as possible. Then, から約束があります。約束があります。You have a plan to do with somebody. 約束があります。That's why から adding から at the end of ます or ません。Okay? 約束がありますから早く帰ります。Well, you don't say this, but this is the grammarly correct. 時間がありませんから早く帰ります。This is also correct because ありません。You simply add から at the end of あります positive form or negative form next to it. Okay? ありませんからありますから早く帰ります。You connect this sentence at the end of から早く帰ります because I don't have time. Okay? That's simple. Okay? 時間がありませんから早く帰ります。or 約束がありますから早く帰ります。用事がありますから早く帰ります。Alright? That's simple. 学校がありますから早く帰ります。授業がありますから早く帰ります。Okay? So we learned this. あります、ありませんからあります or ありませんから早く帰ります。Right? What? You can say that. い形容詞 right? 忙しいです。忙しいです。I am busy. 忙しいです。because 早く帰ります。I want to go home as soon as possible because から because I am busy. 忙しいです。忙しいですから早く帰ります。You can also say that. You wanna ready to excuse something like this, right? 忙しいですから早く帰ります。I am busy today, so I want to go home as soon as possible. Okay? So this から doesn't go always doesn't go with the negative reasons, right? So 今日は時間がありますから日本語の勉強をします。日本語の勉強をします。日本語 Japanese study, right? I will study or I'm gonna study Japanese because I have time today. I have time today, so I'll I'll study Japanese language, right? I hope you're having time, so that's why you're learning Japanese with me. Well, if you have any questions, you can also comment down below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう。